Do you want to build a little robot who is super smart? The robot learns and becomes better every day and soon will probably reach human level intelligence. You can do all that and more using Amazon SageMaker. Amazon SageMaker enables anyone to build, train, and deploy advanced AI and machine learning models at scale. For those of you who will watch this video till the end, you will receive 3 practice exam questions that appear on the AWS machine learning certification, so keep on watching. Amazon SageMaker is a fully managed service that allows you to take an idea and convert it into a product in an easy, secure, and cost-effective way. SageMaker covers the entire AI ML workflow, starting from data labeling, followed by choosing the proper AI ML algorithm, followed by model training, tuning the model and optimizing its hyperparameters, and then deploying the model for inference to make predictions. There are tons of readily available AI ML services in Amazon SageMaker if you want to do computer vision, natural language processing, recommendation systems, and forecasting, you name it. In this video, I will walk you through 5 key high-level AI machine learning services in Amazon SageMaker. First, in order to perform supervised machine learning, you will need to label your data. Amazon SageMaker Ground Truth can be used to label images for object detection, semantic segmentation, or for scene understanding. You can outsource the labeling services to thousands of mechanical Turks all over the world. Also, Amazon SageMaker Ground Truth can help you save time and cost by using auto labeling service. Basically, the model learns from human labeled data and starts to label the data on its own, which is pretty scary. All right, so first service is Amazon Comprehend. Amazon Comprehend is a natural language processing service that relies on machine learning and artificial intelligence to gain valuable insights from text. You do not need to know any machine learning or programming to use Amazon Comprehend. You can use Comprehend to analyze customer-related text, such as product reviews, social media posts, and even emails. This is crucial for companies because now you can perform sentiment analysis on the data, basically get a feel of whether your customers are happy or not. So let's take a look at Amazon Comprehend in action. So if you log in into your AWS account, you can go here and you can search whatever service you want. As you guys can see, there are tons of services here, unlimited basically, there's tons of services. And if you go to machine learning, it can tell you that there is Amazon SageMaker, there is Amazon Comprehend, Forecast, Lex, machine learning, personalized poly, tons of features, okay? So let's go ahead to Amazon Comprehend. And as you guys can see here, you can launch Amazon Comprehend from here. And you can basically write whatever you want in text. So here, for example, I have, let's say, like some text, from Udemy, paste it here and analyze, and let's see what's gonna happen. And here we go. So as you guys can see, it can tell you what entities are there. So it can tell you there is udemy.com, which is basically a title with 50% confidence. Udemy is an organization with 99% confidence, more than 30 million and 550,000, 60 languages. All these are quantities. It can tell you US, that's a location, and over 40 or 4,000 enterprise customers, that's again a quantity. Again, pretty incredible. And if you go to key phrases, it can tell you these are the most important key phrases within your paragraph. It can tell you udemy.com, 76%, an online learning platform, 99%, and so on. And if you go to language, it can tell you that this is an English language with 99% confidence. And that's the most important part, in my opinion, is the sentiment, which is basically to get a sentiment analysis. You want to know, are your customers happy or not? Are they neutral or not? Did they give you 5 reviews or not? So basically you can tell all that information using the sentiment here. So basically here, this is because it's just pure information. It can tell you that this is neutral with almost 100% confidence. And here the last one is syntax, and it can tell you which one is the verb, which one is the adjective, which one is a noun. Again, pretty amazing. It's like a human being, on the other side. And maybe if you want to check or test the sentiment analysis, you can go here, for example, and say, I am, for example, super happy today, okay, which is basically I'm happy now, so let's analyze it. And it can tell you that this is day, that's a date. Key phrases is I. Language is obviously English. And the sentiment is 99% confidence. So if you're actually confident, it is, if you're happy, because I mentioned here it's a positive sentence, it can tell you with almost 100% confidence that this person is positive. And if you say, for example, I am super, let's say, sad today, and if you give it a shot, and it can tell you basically, if you go to sentiment, and it can tell you that basically it's a negative with almost 100% confidence. Again, pretty amazing. And please give it a shot, and I will see you guys in the next service. The second service is Amazon Recognition. The second high-level AI machine learning service is Amazon Recognition, which allows for video and image analysis by detecting objects, people, text, and scenes. Amazon Recognition does not require any machine learning expertise. It's based on advanced deep learning technology that learns every day as more data becomes available. Simply upload a video or an image to Amazon S3 and analyze it using Amazon Recognition. It could also provide facial recognition, facial analysis, celebrity recognition, face comparison, and text detection in image. All right, so after you log in your AWS, in your AWS account, let's take a look at Amazon Recognition service. So we're gonna say recognition, and you will find it here. This is Amazon Recognition, search and analyze images. So you click on it, and then you say, let's try a demo, and here we go. So basically what Amazon Recognition could do, it can basically perform object detection, can perform object scene understanding. And please bear in mind that there is no coding in here, which is again pretty amazing. You don't need to write codes. You don't need to worry about any of that. So as you guys can see here, this is basically an image. And basically once you run it, you will find that here it detects first to draw a bounding box, and it can tell you that it's a person, this is a car, these are wheels, and so on. And this is like a skateboard. And it can show you here basically every single element within the image. There's car with a confidence interval or confidence score of 98, vehicle with 98, there's kind of transportation in there, a person, skateboard with 94% confidence, and there's like downtown, machine, wheel, which is again pretty amazing because, gives you a feel that there's an actual human on the other side, not just, like deep learning algorithm running in the background. So what we could do as well is that you can give it, for example, an image like that, like a scene like this, and it can tell you that it's an actual city, okay, with 99%. It's a building. There's like urban, town, metropolitan, high rise, and so on, which is again pretty incredible. So what I could do here is actually I included a couple of images here. For example, let's grab this image, for example. Let's see. So as you guys can see here, this is an image of, like a cockpit, and you guys can see it can draw a bounding box of a person, and it can tell you that this is a person, human, cockpit, chest, and so on. It's again pretty incredible. I included as well another image here of myself. Let's maybe give it a shot. So as you guys can see here, this is just an image of me. It can tell me that this is a person, and it can tell me that there is like here apparel, there is a t-shirt, there is a face, and you can see maybe there is a smile here of 66%. I think I'm smiling here. All right, and that's basically what the object and scene detection we're gonna tell you. Another way, there's actually tons of features in here. There's like facial analysis, celebrity recognition, face comparison, and so on. So if I take a look at the facial analysis, which is I really like, it kind of can tell you kind of, like more of, if, are these people in these images, are they happy or not? What's their age range? It's just pretty incredible. So here, this is an image, can tell you this is a face basically, and it can draw like the locations of the eyes, the nose, and so on. And it can tell you that it looks like a face, appears to be a female, age range between 17 and 29 years old, again, pretty incredible, smiling with 91% confidence, appears to be happy, wearing glasses, wearing sunglasses, again, pretty incredible. So what I did here is, like maybe give it a shot. There's another image in here, photo, and I want to see what's happening in here. And as you guys can see, it looks like a face, appears to be, again, male, 99.7. There's age range between 22 and 34. They're smiling, appears to be happy. And again, it's pretty amazing. The mouth is open, doesn't have a mustache, and has a beard. Again, it looks like here they're talking specifically about like the first object in the image. And if you shift here, it can tell you the other object, which is again appears to be female, appears to be happy, she's smiling. Again, pretty incredible. And what you could do as well is that if you again upload maybe again my image back again, if you take a look at it again, it can tell you that here I'm smiling, there's mouth that's open, doesn't have a mustache, appears to be happy, age range between 23 and 35, and that's actually very accurate. And that's it. That's all what I have for Amazon recognition. Again, pretty scary, pretty amazing. Please give it a shot and try a couple of your images. The third AI machine learning service is Amazon Polly. Amazon Polly is a text-to-speech service. Amazon Polly offers natural speech by relying on deep learning. Users can select many services and languages. Amazon Polly offers neural text-to-speech or NTTS voice that makes it extremely natural to listen to. All right, so let's take a look at Amazon Polly in action. So if you go here and you type in Polly, you'll find that there is an Amazon Polly, and you can basically write whatever you want in here and then select the type of voice that you want to basically listen to. For example, if I wanted to copy this text, like Udemy here, and if I paste it here, and if I say, okay, let's pick, for example, Matthew or male and listen.
Udemy.com is an online learning platform aimed at professional adults and students. Udemy, a portmanteau of U+ Academy, has more than 30 million students and 50,000 instructors teaching courses in over 60 languages.
Again, you will find that it's a little bit robotic, but again, it's getting a little bit more natural compared to basic, like services. If you open, let's say another, for example, like Sally, for example, like a female.
Udemy.com is an online learning platform aimed at professional adults and students. Udemy, a portmanteau of U+ Academy, has more than 30 million students.
Again, you'll find that there's a lot of pauses in there, which is pretty solid. You'll find it's a little bit getting, again, more natural, which is, again, pretty amazing. Please go ahead, give it a shot, and again, type in whatever text you want, and you can choose whatever voice, and you can come here and even download an MP3 of whatever voice you selected. The fourth service is Amazon Transcribe. Amazon Transcribe is a speech-to-text service, or automatic speech recognition, or ASR for short. You can feed in audio files from Amazon S3 to Amazon Transcribe and then get text file as an output. Amazon Transcribe works in real time as well. You can feed in live audio stream and generate transcripts on the fly. It could be used for movie and YouTube subtitles generation. It can also be used for customer audio call transcription and many more. And the fifth and final service is Amazon Translate. Amazon Translate offers a translation service using deep learning. It offers multiple language translation, so it makes it easier for corporates and content producers to localize content to any country. It offers more natural, robust, and accurate translation compared to basic rule-based translation methods. By integrating Amazon Translate with Amazon Comprehend, you can get critical information about your customers, such as reviews, are they happy with your product or not, and many more. This could be done by using Amazon Translate to convert from any language to English, and then run Amazon Comprehend basically on the data using natural language processing to make sentiment analysis. Okay, so let's take a look at Amazon Translate. So if you go here and type in Translate, you'll find there is Amazon Translate. You can select it, and you can come here and select real-time translation, and you can pick whatever you want. It looks like, I would say, like Google Translate per se. So you can pick, for example, whatever text you have here, you can copy it, you can paste it here. And if you wanted to, select whatever language you want, for example, here I will select the language that at least I know, which is Arabic. So if you select it, you will find that here, the actual translation, actually it looks very natural, very good, like a professional translator on the other side, which is again pretty incredible. And you can pick, for example, here, let's say French language, for example. You can pick whatever language, and you can take a look at basically the translation. Again, give it a shot. Pretty amazing, pretty incredible. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, useful, and informative. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. And see you in the next video.